Hello there, welcome everybody. My name is Don and we've got another nice easy magic trick for you to make for yourself. We've got a box. Your audience can see all around the box. They can see nothing untoward at all about it, and we'll see what it can do. So we give the box a bit of a bang on the table, if we'll get it right, and we'll go, and a bottle of Coke will appear as though from nowhere, and then you can show your audience again around the box. Okay, there we are. That's the trick. I think you'll agree, quite impressive. So we'll get on with the video and I'll show you how to go about making it, all the sizes you need, all the materials and everything you need to know. In the meantime, please subscribe to the channel. If you click the like button and the all button, you will be informed when I put new videos up, of which there will be many. Okay, let's get on with the video then, and I'll show you how I made it. So I'm going to use 2mm thick cardboard as usual. It's the optimum material really to use, unless you're going to use something more substantial like MDF or plywood or chipboard. You're going to need a fully equipped wood shop to work in. But with this is substantial enough for the kind of things that we're making, and it's easy to work with. All you need is a sharp craft knife and a ruler. That's all you need, and a cutting mat maybe. Okay, so we're going to need the front, and the front is determined by the size of the Coke bottle. So it wants to be a little bit bigger than the Coke bottle, like that, so we can get it in and out basically. So the size I've made it then is 3 3/4 by, that's 9.5 centimeters by 10 inches, which is 25.5 centimeters. So that's the size we need. We've got a 12mm or 1/2 inch border all the way around, and that's going to move in and out. That's what we need for the front. For the sides, obviously the height is the same, and the depth I've made 4 inches or 10 centimeters, and we're going to put those on the side like that. This is going to be impossible to do. They're going on the side, and then we need a top and a bottom. The top is going to have the 12mm border all the way around. That will go on the top, and then a piece on the bottom. So once we've got that assembled, then it's going to be easier to work out what to do for the rest of the trick. So I'll assemble all these pieces that we need. PVA glue probably better. I've been using hot melt glue, but it's not really working that well. So I'll glue this together anyway, come back and we'll see what to do next. So I assembled the main frame of the box. That's all glued together now, and the Coke bottle will sit in there, or I can take that out the top. So that's the right size then. So what we need now is a back, and well, a false back in fact. So I've got a piece of card the size of the back of the box, like that. In actual fact it's that piece, but they're basically the same. And then this other piece will be the same as the side of the box, and then I've put it on a quadrant of a circle down there, so it should pivot like that. So we've got that at the back where we can stand the Coke bottle on, ready to be revealed, and then it will pivot somehow like that to reveal the Coke bottle, like that. So that's what we need to do. Somehow pivot this back edge then of what, let me show you, this bit. We need to pivot on this edge here somehow, and I wasn't quite sure how, so I had to give it a lot of deep thought. and I came up with the idea with 2 barbecue sticks. So I've drilled a small hole in the bottom there, and if I stick my barbecue stick up to halfway, because I haven't got a long one, so I'm going to have to use two short ones, which won't matter, but I can fix that along there, and when it's all painted black you won't see it. So I can glue that along there, so that's fixed there, and then it will go into a hole down the bottom there. So that will be the bottom part of the pivot, if you like. So if I'll try to show you. He said. So if I stick that up in there, that's it. It will go through like that. So with that fixed there, and then when it's fixed, I can cut that off there. Then that will be like a bottom hinge, bottom pivot. And I can do the same with the top, because all I need do is lay that on there like the other one, and then that top piece will fit in a hole in the top like that, and then when it's in place I can snip that off level at the top. I hope I've explained that as well. I've explained it as well as I can. So what it will eventually look like is that in there, that like that, and these cut off at the bottom and the top, going through these holes at the top and the bottom, and that should then pivot this section quite nicely. I think it'll work. So anyway, I'll go ahead and do it. Probably hot melt glue these pieces on, and I'll be back and we'll see if it works or not. Well, it seemed my idea worked okay, so I'm rather pleased with that. Those barbecue sticks are stuck in place along there and sticking out the bottom there and out the top there, and they pivot nicely between the back and the side like that. In fact, with a quick flick you can disappear and appear all kinds of things, not necessarily just a Coke bottle. So that's basically it. What remains to be done now is to prettify it. So I'll spray it all black and then put some silver paper of some kind around the edges just to make it look a little more showbiz like, and that should be it. So there we are, one appearing and disappearing box. Okay, so I'll be back in one moment when it's all finished and we'll give it one last go. So finished the whole project off now. I gave it a spray of black spray paint from the pound shop or $1 shop, very inexpensive to buy. Gave the whole thing a coating of black paint, and then I used some of this stuff. It's normally in A4 size sheets, but it's like a mirror finish, and when it catches the light, it catches all different colours. It's fantastic stuff to use for this kind of thing. I just happened to be able to buy a big sheet of it like that, but it just makes it look more presentable, more professional, and just for the sake of a few pieces of coloured paper, then it transforms it into a much better looking thing. Okay, so how to perform it? So you can show all 4 sides, no problem, of the and stick your hand inside, and as you turn this way, you can open up the back, so it opens like that. So you turn it and open the back like so. To load it, obviously this is not the way to do. I'm doing it the wrong way around. I would be the other side. So if it was this side and the audience out there, then you could put this down below a table line in your lap, maybe, and then just lift that up quickly and put in the back there. That would be how to load it. So the audience would just wouldn't see anything at all. It would just be like that. And then to perform, all it would take is a 1, 2, quick go like that to produce a bottle of Coke. Okay, and in fact it could produce anything. Once you've got that open like that, you could make anything appear, quite honestly. So you could use it for a number of different tricks. Okay, so there we are. A nice little idea and a nice little thing to make. Add to your existing repertoire, maybe. Inexpensive again to make. So thanks for watching this video. Numbers are doing increasingly well. Watch hours and subscribers are doing well. But if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and you will be informed when new videos come along. And I have many ideas of stuff to make. Okay, so it's just a good hobby. Apart from anything else, it's a great hobby to do. Once you've made it, working out how to work the thing, how to make it work. That's what I find fascinating about these things. Anyway, I digress. So again, thanks a lot. I'll see you in the next video, and until then, bye for now.